What's going on, everyone? It's Freddie, and right now we're going to go ahead and run through this test paywall. So this is in our Flow and Paywall Builder, and this is one of the coolest features we have because you can go ahead and build out any single flow and paywall that you want in our drag and drop builder. So let's go ahead and take a look at this paywall. It looks almost there, right? Like you have your headline, you have the main value propositions of the app. This looks a little off. Alongside, maybe this could use a little bit of spice up. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn this paywall into something that you would actually use for your app. Let's go ahead and add some icons in there. I think that would be fun just to showcase more proof. We can go ahead, come here. And so these are all the slates of icons. These are quick on like the ribbon. But if we click here, we can actually see strokes versus filled. I personally right now am feeling filled. Let's go ahead and add some stars, and now we have them on the screen. But the thing is, they actually need to go ahead and be, visible. So let's go ahead and change that. Right now, it's this black color, but I'll actually throw in this gold color right here, and bam, the stars are there. So I don't need to go ahead and duplicate them. It's as simple as just Control-C, Control-V, 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 Control-V. So 5 stars, element pasted, but I still think that there is more room to go. Something along the lines of more people have joined. So let's go ahead and add another layer, but this will be text, and we'll do caption. This is our small body text. Go ahead and take this caption layer and put it right underneath the icon. And again, because it's a horizontal layer, it'll go ahead and attach right to the side. Caption, let's say join 50,000 athletes. And let's make this white text. Boom. I think this looks already so much better. So now I think this vertical container and this horizontal container, these are pretty much good to go. Now I actually want to go ahead and adjust this. Your offer expires in, like, there's nothing there, right? So let's actually go ahead and plot a timer. Boom. So this is the badge that we have now next to this, but it doesn't exactly fit in. So that's what we're going to need to do. We're actually going to take this layer and throw it over here. But we need to change this black. So let's actually go ahead and make sure that the fill matches the rest of the button. But this is still a little bit too much. So let's actually go ahead and look at what the variables are here. Timer days, hours, minutes, and seconds. I think days is a little bit too much. So let's just literally have it be minutes and seconds. And now we have it already done. So this now looks so much better. This countdown will go ahead and start. You see this right here, countdown. The moment that they get onto the screen. All right, and now as we've gotten through the top part of this, I think on the pricing structure itself, there is an area to call out. And to me, one of the things that would bring this part home is to spotlight the pricing that I want the person to actually click on. So in this case, that would be yearly. Let's go ahead and click on our yearly structure right here, and let's go ahead and add another layer. We're gonna go ahead and take a badge, bam. All right, so now the badge is located down here, but we need to go ahead and bring this up. We're gonna go ahead and put it under yearly. Boom. So now the badge is correctly placed. I want to go ahead and make the padding just slightly better. Actually, the padding here is pretty good, so I don't need to go ahead and adjust that. But what I do need to do is adjust what this badge actually says. So we can see here the text right here, badge. Let's do save 33%. And that, my friends, is how you can use Flow and Paywall Builder to improve your paywalls or just make your own. It's as simple as just adding the layers and then changing the copy. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.